Hello, good day. It's time for another look inside what I found inside this box, which does contain an original 8K PET. Here is the cable that was in there, and certainly it does have an edge connector that looks like it would go onto one of the edge connectors on the PET, and it does have, well, what to me looks like a printer end, but it looks smaller than most of the printer ends. But we must remember, this was early in the day, and who knows what was what and what was going on in terms of, well, things were not a standard size. So he assured me this was for the printer, and that he might indeed have the printer, but he could not find it. But someday he might find it. So it does look like an early sort of non-Commodore thing, because there is no, like, plastic molding around the business part with the blue end. Maybe I can adjust that. You can have a better look. But, you know, I mean, it looks all very well built, but it is, it's out in the open. But mind you, know, once you plug these things in, and they're in the back of the machine, I mean, what's going to happen? So, soon, probably not at this juncture, but soon, I will take this out of the box. And I know I have to do it with great care. The box is 45 years old, and I can feel here and there that it's not bad, but for 45 years old, I mean, cardboard gets, you know, old. So I just want to do this very carefully, and I don't want to cause any damage. And I think if I were to record while I did it, I might be more likely to screw something up. I might. But I may change my mind. I haven't decided. Anyway, so there we have what is reported to be a cable for a printer, and he says it was a Commodore printer, but I just don't know. Well, it does have the look of an IEEE thing. It just looks smaller. I don't know. Anyway, at some point maybe he'll call me and tell me to come pick up the printer. And then we'll see. I don't know of all the original printers. I mean, I have a 2022. I think it's a 2022. And it was, you know, pretty old and noisy and such, but, you know, maybe there's something before then. Anyway, if you have any ideas, don't hesitate to let me know. Alright, onward with further explorations. And, oh yes, and written on the outside of the box it does say that it's a 2001-8, which would mean 8K, as opposed to the 2001-4, which is 4K. And it says it should be serial number 10623. Let the games continue. Bye for now.